No, I won't pet you.
Go.
No, I won't pet you.
She says, leave me alone.
No, I won't pet you.
Go, Molly.
No, I won't pet you. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, I don't pet you.
Pick up the hose and see what she does. She was freaking out. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, turn it off. All right, turn it off.
Huh?
Turn it off.
So,
She's gonna start running in a few seconds. Molly, what are you doing? Molly, what are you doing, baby? What's he doing, baby? What's he doing, my little girl? What's he doing? What are you doing, baby? This is your close-up. Oh, yeah. Look at you. Look at you. Okay, go run. Go run. Go run. Run. Come on. Come on, baby. Molly, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Can't eat my camera. No, don't jump on me. Nick, don't let her jump on me. No, don't jump on me, Molly. Don't jump on me. Be a good girl. Okay, go. Go. Go, baby. Okay. I'm scared she's gonna jump on me. Oh, I'm scared she's gonna jump on me. Don't jump on me.
sure.
Don't. Be a good girl. Go get Daddy. You can't eat my phone. Don't make her mean. Don't make her mean. You're not going to play like you were? That's why I brought the camera out, so you could play. Okay, go.
One.
Go jump.
One.
Go. Go over there and shake that tree, Mitt.
I got my socks on.
All right, here. You take a picture of her. Keep the camera on her.
She's going to jump on you. Give me the shoes. I'll go do it. You get nervous.
Okay. You got my shoes on. All right, Molly, you're going to go get some leaves. Go on. Go. Go. Go on, Molly. Go on, he's got the leaves. Good girl. Okay, come on back. Come on. Cheeky girl, you wouldn't do what you did before. Here she comes. She said, you ain't got no food?
Hmm?
She said, you don't have any food? Oh, she's trying to bite your mouth. Oh, I saw all his teeth. Molly, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Be nice. Good girl. She's being nice now.
She likes it.
I bet she does. Here, you scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. Okay, do something really cool so I can put it on YouTube.
Here. You ready?
Ride the pony.
You ready?
Ride the pony. Ride a pony.
Yeah.
Ride a pony. Ride a pony. Oh.
Mutton riding.
Oh, she said no part of that. She doesn't want no part of that. No part of that. Okay, Molly, we had enough fun with you.